Hello, team and Candy Cruise. This is Bob the Builder, Robert, and Manny Garcia, fans of Oz 5 once again. And today I give a review on my favorite Postman Pat series of all is Postman Pat's Special Delivery Service, released in 2008, which is the TV show based on the original series. So, welcome to the Special Delivery Service. Special Delivery Service, Pat is on its way. Special Delivery Service, what's it gonna be today? Mission accomplished. That's my theme song from the Special Delivery Service series. So the plot is, we have Postman Pat and Jess are going to the special deliveries at the Pencaster, and basically the plot is. So one thing about the series, one of the best series ever in 2008. So I have to say is, I definitely fell in love with the Special Delivery Service series because I especially adorn Special Delivery Service series, one of the best Postman Pat series ever since Bob the Builder Project Build It series. So I love Postman Pat Special Delivery Service, one of my favorite Postman Pat series. Sorry, I haven't forgot the review on this series at my old channel. And back to my old channel, it's gone now. I got my new channel instead. So Postman Pat Special Delivery Service is a lot better than Fireman Sam Season 12. So I stick with Postman Pat Special Delivery Service series instead of Fireman Sam Season 12. So, yeah. I've seen a lot of episodes from the Postman Pat Special Delivery Service series. And especially Merrill Clifton Goes on a Mission, which is the same year before the show release. The series release. So Pat is awesome, and Jess is my favorite characters of the series. So I have a pal over again, which is Scoop and Muck again. So, you've been watching Postman Pat Special Delivery Service? Yes. Oh, I love Special Delivery Service, one of my favorite series of Postman Pat. Yeah, me too, Team Postman Pat. I love being a team leader of Postman Pat. Muck, Postman Pat is just a postman, not a builder. Postman Pat is not a builder. He's a postman, not a builder. But Bob is a builder. That Peter Sellers knows about Sam Mulder and the original Postman Pat. Sorry about Franny Dryden, Mrs. Harper, George Lancaster, Major Fobbs, Peter Fogg, and Sam Waldron. They doesn't appear in the season 4 series and Special Delivery Service. They only appear in the movie and the original series. So I've seen the original Postman Pat. And I saw the 2004 series of Postman Pat, and the Postman Pat Special Delivery Service, because, and I talk about my 40th anniversary of the Postman Pat franchise. It's one of my favorite TV show franchise of the 80s. So the animation looks awesome, the episodes are the best, and the characters are the best since the original and the season 4 series. And unfortunately, the series got canceled in 2017. I hope it's getting to season 4 soon. So let's give Postman Pat special delivery service and Infinity Stars out of 10. It's the best Postman Pat series ever since the original. So my next review is Postman Pat the movie, the best out of the franchise.